Hi dear children, welcome to grade 4 GK. I hope you all are fine and safe, right children? Okay, so in today's session, we will going to see the new topic, amazing phenomena. Okay,
Amazing phenomena. The world is full of wonder and amazement. There's a bigger, more beautiful and surprising world we don't always get to see. There are some amazing things happening in the world which we are unaware of. So, let's take a whirl through some of the most incredible phenomena that is happening around us. Sailing stones. In a place called Death Valley in USA, there is a dry lake bed. Due to the hot temperatures of the region, the rainwater accumulated in the lake gets evaporated very quickly. This results in the formation of a soft, thick layer of mud all over the lake. The rocks in this lake move on their own, leaving behind a track or path. It is still an unsolved mystery. Green sand beaches. Papakolea, also known as Green Sand Beach in Hawaii, is one of the couple of beaches in the world with green sand. The remarkable hue comes from an all-vine rock that was formed during eruptions of the nearby volcano. Lenticular clouds. Lenticular clouds are stationary clouds. They usually form at high altitudes and are usually found in many places around the earth. They have often been mistaken as UFOs, vehicles of aliens, because some of these clouds appear like huge saucers. Water spouts. A water spout is a funnel-shaped body of water. This amazing phenomenon usually occurs in tropical areas. Most water spouts are small and weak rotating columns of air over water but do not suck up water. A water spout is similar to a tornado. Fire rainbows. Though not the technical term, this phenomena in general is referred to as a fire rainbow. This is because a fire rainbow appears like a colorful flame spread across the sky. The scientific name for this phenomena is circumhorizontal arcs. Rainbow mountains. These colorful mountains are located in China. It is considered as one of the most beautiful landforms in the world. This place has become a top tourist attraction in China. Snow donuts. Snow donuts or snow rollers are formed when clumps of snow fall off of a cliff or a tree into the snow pack. They can be as small as a tennis ball or as big as a car. Desert rose. As evident from the name, these rose-shaped objects are formed naturally. They are formed in deserts due to different atmospheric conditions. These can appear either as a single rose or as a cluster of roses. Desert rose is also known by other names such as sand rose, rose rock, etc. Ice circles. Ice circles are thin, circular slabs of ice that rotate slowly in the water. They usually occur in slow-moving water in cold climates. Ice circles tend to rotate even when they form in water that is not moving. Salar de Uyuni. Salar de Uyuni in Bolivia is both the world's largest salt flat It's about 4,000 square miles and the home of half the planet's lithium, the key component in most electronics batteries. The wet season turns it into a perfectly reflective lake. Flocking. Flocking is the behavior shown by a group of birds in flight. There may be different kinds of flocking, but the behavior exhibited by small birds called starlings is a treat to the eyes. In midwinter, over 50,000 of these birds come together and create incredible shapes in the sky. This can be usually seen in Europe, especially in UK. Volcanic lighting. Volcanic lighting is a phenomenon where volcanoes actually produce lighting. It occurs when lightning is produced in a volcanic plume, cloud of volcanic ash, during an eruption. Volcanic lightnings are also commonly referred as dirty thunderstorms. Light pillars. This optical phenomenon can be seen in many cold countries such as Russia, Canada, and Finland. Vertical band or tall pillars of light appear to shoot into the sky. Meeting of the waters. Meeting of the waters is a point in northern Brazil where the sandy colored water of the Amazon River and the black water of the Rio Negro meet. These two rivers don't blend into one another. For 6 kilometers, the two rivers' water runs side by side without mixing. Gleaming waves. These bright colored waves are seen on a beach in the Maldives. The sea is filled with various species of planktons. These organisms emit light. It is because of these organisms the waves appear brightly colored.
So this session we have seen about some of the world's amazing phenomena, right? So all of you please note your today's homework. Complete page number 36, 37, 38 and 39 in GK workbook and send it to Google Classroom. Okay children? So all of you stay home, stay safe. We will meet in next session. Bye. Thank you.